Hi, I'm Ray and I'm down the allotment today. It's a nice sunny day, bit of a chill in the air, but it's time to do some digging. And it goes so great to see so many allotment holders taking on new allotments in January as well as October, November. It's always a good opportunity to pick up an allotment. So, great opportunity during the winter to get some jobs done. Today I'm going to show you how to start a vegetable garden. So let me show you. So when you pick up a new allotment, the area might be as good as this, but it might be worse. But this is just a bit of wasteland, and it's a good opportunity to make a bed in this plot. So I'm going to show you how to make a vegetable garden. All we need is a spade, a cane and a bit of string, and we can make our first vegetable garden. So when starting your vegetable garden, I always suggest to start off with a bed 1 metre by metre. So I'm just marking out our bed, which is approximately 1 metre by 1 metre. And then we can take our string so I've marked the beds in 4 corners. Then we can take our piece of string and wrap it around the poles, and then we can mark out our border. So then that gives us the edge, you know, where we can dig around. There. So that's going to be our vegetable garden. So the next job we're going to do is we take our spade and we're going to just dug it in, wiggle it about and make the edge of our bed following the line. And this gives us our border and our edge. So we've got our outline of our bed. So now we've got our outline of our bed. We know where the bed's going to go. So we can dig that out and we can get rid of the grass. So we've got our edges around our vegetable garden. And then all we need to do is to dig out the centre bit. few moments, we've got our vegetable patch marked out and the top grass is dug out. So the last job is then the soil that's left in your bay. It's just give it a dig over. Remove any roots. So we've got a nice pile of roots. These can be disposed of, and now we've got a nice vegetable patch that we can start growing stuff on. Once you've done 1 metre square, you can go on and do the next metre and then work backwards and get the rest of the plot done. But we can start putting onions or garlics in this bed now, or even the broad beans, they can go in. So there we go, matter of what, 30 minutes, one small bed cut, dug, de-weeded, de-rooted, and there we go. So there we go, we've got a nice new bed that we can start sowing some plants in and start growing some nice vegetables. So if you've just got an allotment and if you're a new allotment holder, then let me know. Leave me a comment in the message. And also, are you doing a no dig bed? Also leave me a message in the comments, that'd be most interesting. And I might even consider doing a no dig bed on my allotment plot. So keep watching. If you're new to my channel, then please subscribe, ring that bell, get notifications when I post some more. So thank you very much. Cheers.